Umphenyi ecaleni lokubulawa kaJayden Lee-Mac utshele inkantolo ukuthi umsolwa uTiffany Mac kumele agcinwe esitokisini ukuze aphephe.
So what is your fear and concern?
It's for her to be killed or to be harmed outside.
Yes. So in essence, you are saying that if the accused is released on bail, normal civilians, people sitting in the gallery, could attack and kill her. So we are not safe in the society.
Given the reasons I placed before this court yesterday.
Umphenyi ukuphikile ukuthi umama kaJayden wababikela onogada balapho abahlala khona lingakashayi ihora lesithupha ntambama mayelana nomnyamalala kwengane yakhe.
Based on the information given that was presented before this court yesterday, I would say no. There were OB copies that were presented here showing that there was never a report made before 6.
Ukulalelwa kwesicelo sebhayili kuzoqhubeka nakusasa.